Restored to tens of millions of people across almost all of the Spain and Portugal, but disruption to transport services were expected to stretch into a second day as the questions mount over what caused a massive blackout. Both countries remain under the state of emergency after the electrical supply was lost across the entire Iberian Peninsula and in parts of France on the Monday. Also, the outrage also brought businesses to a standstill, halted the elevators, knocked out the traffic lights and caused chaos on the roads and on the airports as well. Experts say that it might take weeks to figure out what caused the meltdown. Spanish Prime Minister, that is Pedro Sanchez, also said that the late Prime Minister has also been there with a lot of problem according to the grid operator. It also happened when the 15 gigawatts of power were suddenly lost in just 5 seconds. To give you an idea, 15 gigawatts is equivalent to approximately 60% of the country's demand at that time, Sanchez said. Also on Tuesday morning, Spain's grid operator said that the power has been supplied to 99% of the country, but the transport minister warned some trains would not operate or would run at a reduced capacity, including the high-speed rail network. Also on late Monday, the power has been restored to the most of Portugal, with the videos on the social media showing people cheering at night as the light came back on. Also, Portugal's Prime Minister, that is Luis, said that he did not know yet what caused the blackout, but he blamed Spain for it, saying that it did not originate in Portugal, and also that everything indicates the problem started in the neighboring country, that is Spain. Also, the outage took out the lighting and the power sockets and caused subway system to suddenly fail. In Madrid, the traffic piled up on the roads after the lights went out. I was driving and suddenly there was no traffic light. It was a bit of a juggle, said Mr. Lewis. And also, I have the massive bus coming and I had to accelerate a lot to go past it. The blackouts also impact was dramatic. Transport hubs were shuttered and government in the both countries, which share a population of around 60 million people, hastily arranged emergency meetings to coordinate a response. The Spain's Interior Ministry declared a state of emergency in the regions of the Andalusia, Extremadura, Murcia, La Rioja and Madrid. After a late night cabinet meeting, Portugal's Montenegro declared an emergency crisis, with the country's grid operator warning that fully restoring power would be a complex operation. Earlier, Madrid's mayor, that is Jose Luis, also asked the residents of the Spanish capital to minimize their movement and only call emergency services if it was truly urgent. Also, he called on the people to clear the road for the emergency workers. Later in the day, the Madrid's emergency services provided urged the government to declare a national emergency, and the local leaders, that is Isabel Ayuso, asked the country to deploy the army. Antonio Costa, the president of the European Council and the Portugal's former prime minister, said although the cause of the outage was not clear, there were no indication of a cyber